Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to fix the Uber app location problem. Without any further ado, let's get started. First things first, you want to make sure your Uber app is running the latest version. So go ahead and open either the Play Store if you're on Android or the App Store if you're using an iPhone. This step is important because outdated versions can sometimes cause location tracking issues, and developers regularly push updates to fix bugs like these. Once you're in the store, use the search bar at the top and type in Uber. When the app appears in the results, tap on it to open the app page. Now check if there's an update button available. If you see one, go ahead and tap Update to install the latest version. This ensures that you have all the newest fixes and improvements that could resolve your location problem. If the app is already up to date, you'll just see an open button, which means you're good to move on to the next step. Now that your app is updated, you need to check the device level permissions. Exit out of the store and head over to your device settings. This is typically represented by a gear icon on your home screen or app drawer. Once you're in settings, look for the option labeled apps or applications and tap on it. This section shows you all the apps installed on your device and lets you manage their individual settings. From the list of apps that appears, scroll down until you find Uber and tap on it. This opens the specific settings page for the Uber app where you can control things like notifications, storage, and most importantly for us right now, permissions. On this page, look for an option called Permissions and tap on it. This is where you'll see all the different permissions that Uber has requested, such as access to your camera, microphone, and location. Inside the Permissions menu, locate the location permission. This is the key setting that controls whether Uber can track where you are to show nearby drivers and give you accurate pickup times. Make sure this permission is turned on. If it's set to deny or ask every time, you'll want to change it to allow all the time or allow only while using the app, depending on your preference. Enabling this permission ensures that the app can function properly and pinpoint your exact location when you need a ride. Once you've confirmed the location permission is enabled for Uber, go back to your main settings menu. From there, scroll down and find the location option and tap on it. This is your device's master location switch, and it controls whether any app on your phone can access location services at all. Make sure that your device location is turned on here. If it's off, none of your apps will be able to detect where you are, which would definitely cause problems with Uber. Simply toggle it on if it isn't already, and that's it. You've now updated your Uber app, granted it the necessary location permissions, and ensured your device's location services are active. Your location problem should be completely resolved, and the app should now be able to track your position without any issues. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.